Hey everyone, welcome to the multi-drive metal case. So this metal case has a small indentation on the outside where you can just pop your finger and it just peels off. It's connected via magnets onto the base unit. So I'd just like to talk you through how you use it. So a nice thing that you can do with this case is you can take your multi-drive, and if you're building something, say you've got some really small screws that you need to know what they are once you've disassembled something, you can write on the aluminium with the standard graphite. That'll rub straight off as well. So you can write M10 and you'll know what that screw is. So let's get to putting this thing together. So first of all, your multi-drive fits perfectly there. It has a recess at the back end that you can press to eject the pen. That also works when the lid is on too. So you just press that and out comes your multi-drive. So for now, let's move the lid aside and start loading it up. So this is the hardened micro bit set that will come with every single metal case. Inside you'll have your 24 bits. So this is how you load them. So once your metal case is fully loaded, simply press the back of these and you can take them straight out. A little handy trick is if you're working on something that's got multiple screws in it, if you have them up like that, you can then select this one and take it out. And then also once they're all up, you can do that and it's really satisfying. To load in the other tools, simply take the knife from behind and pop it in like that. The scribe sits nicely in the formula adapter, and that then sits in that groove. Everything is nice and secure, so nothing's going to fall out if you turn it upside down. And then once everything's loaded in, and exactly how you'd like it, you can then pop the lid back on, and your metal case is fully loaded. There's also one sneaky thing that I forgot. In the top here, there is the pencil sharpener. And there's this little L on the back. There's no longer an L on the new design. Is the pencil sharpener. So if you do this over a bin and turn that, it will sharpen your pencil for you.